Hey guys, we're back with an update video on our Desert Road seedlings that we had started. If you've seen in my previous video, we planted 500 Desert Road seedlings. I just want to shoot an update video, and then I'm going to go ahead and repot some of our older seedlings that we had planted earlier. But without further ado, we'll get into the video. Now we're going to give them a good water. So once you gave your seedlings a good watering, we'll let them drain out a little bit, and then we'll just dump out the excess water, but still keeping our seedlings in this tray. So now we're gonna go ahead and leave these seedlings in the greenhouse for about a month until they get about this size right here, and then we'll transplant them out to full sun. And now the update on our 500 Desert Road seedlings. And there you have it, guys. Just wanted to give you an update video of our Desert Road seedlings and just show you how I repot my Desert Road seedlings into larger pots. Try to continue giving you guys updates as they grow. But until then, I'll see you in the next one.